should've known me the signs. Ay, still.
Hi guys, so today is Wednesday and it's currently 1:10 midnight. So I happen to go back to work today, like I am resuming work today, and it's really like a mixed feeling. I don't know how I feel. I'm a bit nervous because I've been away from work for a year now, a long break, and I'm due to return to work, and I start work tomorrow. As someone who doesn't sleep well, or I barely have enough sleep, and today is no different. So yeah, I just decided to just film now, and let's see how it goes tomorrow. I can't sleep. Too many things going on, too many things on my mind, and I'm not really excited about going back to work. Yeah, I'm not. But I have to, not because like I have to. It's optional, but then I have to. When I go and I feel it's not worth it, I mean, well, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna leave it as it is, and I will take you along tomorrow. So my uniform doesn't even fit anymore, but I'll still put it on, and hopefully when I get to work tomorrow I will be able to get a new one. So guys, wait, hold on. I am wide awake. My hair is messy. I am all over the place. I am back from my holidays from United States of America, as I always say, I'm back from the States. Life. This I don't know if my video will. I don't know if this video will be up before a short video I did since I got back to the UK from the States. So yeah, whichever one that comes first. That's just about it. So guys, yeah, it's me just trying to put myself back together into the working mode. But like I said, I'm gonna take you along tomorrow. Let's see how it goes with my uniform, with the vibes and everyone back at work. I will probably do a video talking about work and the working environment. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it now. I'm not going to be able to sleep now. I might read or do some editing or reflect as I always do, and probably have about 3 hours of sleep, because I'm going to be working from 2 p.m. in the afternoon till 10 p.m. and it takes me about an hour by train. I go on 2 trains and a bus to work, and so yeah, I would have to leave home an hour before my shift starts, and I probably get back home around 11 p.m. 10 past 11 ish. But I'll try and film. I'm even sweating. Yeah guys, okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care guys. So this is my hair, a bit messy. Finally the time and the day is here, and I cannot go to work like that with my hair. I actually need to do interlocking, but I haven't really had time, so I'm gonna give it a quick wash just to make it a bit soft and look a bit clean and presentable to be able to go back to work. So that's what I'm gonna do quickly. If you can see, it's so messy. Yeah, So yep, time to give the hair a wash. A wash. Okay, I will see you soon. I'll take you along. Sometimes I just wish someone could just wash it for me. Ooh, okay. Yeah, time for wash time. Bye bye.
Boy, take time on my knees, whatever you like, 'cause you're always on mine. You're the only boy. Don't make me say please, it's been enough time. I'm your best in your mind. I'm your best in your mind. Boy, don't hold back if you're all like that. Got me dreaming all night, but we're running right back. Oh, it's movie making the way. I don't gotta say it. It's how luck gets back. You just got it like that.
See, I need interlocking right there.
I try behaving, not say patiently waiting. Still know my curves right. Memory serves right, but I had control on it to keep you in line. Those hands on me, I said right out of my mind. Keep
Done.
looking at me.
Now let's go get ready
On my knees,
for
whatever you
what?
like.
See.
Always on mine.
Hi guys, so I'm going to get my food ready for work. So let's do this. Okay, so it's my lunch box or my lunch bag. Okay, I'm gonna put my food. Sorry, I have a bit of sore throat, so yeah. What I'm taking to work today is that I got fish sauce with some vegetables, a bit of jollof rice, and some egg fried rice. Okay, and as an African lady, precisely Ghanaian to be precise, I can't do without my spice. So this is shito. I just put a little in here. I'm gonna cover this. 1 second, let me put it in. Okay, so because I don't want it to sort of spill, I'll put it in this bag. Yeah, like that. And then I'm gonna put my shito, which is the spicy one. I'll put it in. Okay, and then I put it here in my lunch box and my cutlery right there. And that's my water. That's my water bottle from YouTube. So Women of YouTube, I got it from an event that I attended. YouTube invited me to, so I get one of this. I'm gonna put one of this in there, and yeah. One extra bottle of this, and that makes it 1 liter if I'm able to drink all of that at work. So my lunch pack is ready, and my bottle of water. That's not mine. I'm not gonna take that. Okay, so guys, yeah, everything is gonna go in this beautiful bag I got from Ghana, and yeah. I get to wear my beads again. That's Mama. That's Mama. And that's Mama Beautiful. And this is EXRNA. Exclusive Royal Nanama. I don't know if you can see. Hold on. That's EXRNA. Yay. Whew. Nice. So I am ready. I'm just waiting. My train is at 1 second. So I start at 2:15. My uniform is so tight. My jacket is so tight. Oh my goodness, what a day. I'm gonna get a new jacket. I was supposed to get a jacket last year. Unfortunately, I didn't get any. And we are in 2025 and I still haven't gotten one. Ooh, I'm gonna do that. One second. My train is at there's a train in 13 minutes. When I catch that one, I'm going to be like 2:15. I'm going to be like half an hour earlier. So maybe I'm gonna catch the next one, which is at, actually I can even catch the next three. Oh wait, actually I can even catch the next three trains. So I can catch the 13:20 and I will arrive at 13:55 and then walk to my destination. So yeah, I'm just buying some time here because it's so cold. Again, I don't have my gloves and the train station is literally 6 minutes walk away from where I am seated now. So yeah guys, let me just warm up and just catch you. Look at my jacket, it doesn't fit, it's too tight. I made a silly mistake and my hair is not the best, but who cares? I do care. I don't care. I care. I don't care. But at least I can take it to work today and then I'll figure it out. I'm actually going to cut it off, but let's see. I'll show you my view. Yeah, that's my hair. That's my current location. So I've got some flowers and yeah. Anyways guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing good. If this is the first time you're seeing me on your screen, kindly hit that subscribe button. My name is Royal Nanama and be a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment in the section box. Day 1 back to work after a year break. I'm guessing you're wondering why I took a year break. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. So I'm going to get the Elizabeth line and I'll get off at Stratford and then I'll change to the Central line and I get off at St. Paul's and then walk for 7 minutes to my workplace. Okay, I don't know what else to say. Just, it's cold. I wish I could go get a jacket, but trust me, if I walk into the shop now, it will take another like more than half an hour and I might be late. That's not what we want. Oh gosh, look at my jacket. I'll show you, wait. See, my jacket is too tight. I've actually gained weight, but I'm gonna lose that weight soon. So just for today, we're gonna manage. Whew, look at me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. I can't even close it. This is a bad idea, but it's alright. We'll fix it. I've got my beats. Got my beats. Yeah. Okay, guys. Alright guys, let's go to the train station. Put my thing here, then I can have a see if I'm not all good. 1, 2. Today be today. Today be today. Oh dear. Last time Jesus. Indian. It's called. I think it's called the base.
What a good view, looking at you do what you do. It's worth the wait if it's anything like that. Been a while but the memories on tap. Kick off your shoes, who's first you choose, I'm giving to. Still know my curves, right? Memory serves right, but I had control, wanted to keep you in line. Those hands on me, I slip right out of my mind. Keep looking at me, boy. Take time on my knees, whatever you like, 'cause you're always on.
So guys, this is where I come off, and then I change my train. So you see, I was telling you I needed to sit at the last coach so that once I come off the train, I can easily switch to the next one. So my next train, so let me show you. So that's the train I just came off on, and my next train is going to come here. With the next train, I equally need to sit at the last coach, the back, the last end of the train, so that once I come out, I have the easy way or easy access to leave the platform. So my train, this one is the underground, the central line is gonna come from that side, then I'll get on the train. So I'm here at Stratford. I'm gonna get on one of that. Oh yeah, my train is coming. I don't have access to the internet, so yeah.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform, shown here for the Elizabeth and Jubilee lines, the DLR, London Overground and National Rail services.
I'm off now. This is the St. Paul's Underground Station. Ooh, I haven't been here in a long while. And today, guess who is finally back here? Let's go. Welcome to St. Paul Station. Does it feel good to be back? I have no idea. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cold. Okay. I'm back. Like I never left. Okay. I did have some missed calls. I need to return them before I start my shift. So guys, see you in a minute. Before I leave you, let me quickly make this call. Once I'm done, I will sign off and then go to work. Come on. So I have arrived safely, and it's about time to go in. So I'm gonna end the video here, and if I get the opportunity to film something else, I will definitely keep you all updated. Wish me luck. So wish me luck, and I will see you soon. But bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Bye for now. I am here. Yeah, it's a video. That's my colleague. Taha. Thank you. I'm okay. Not easy, but taking it. Okay.
Hello everyone. Say hi.
Tell them. YouTube family. Our spa. We are back.
Fight for what you believe in, and let your light shine so much brighter than planets, stars, and full moons. You know we got to rise up tonight. We got Jah on our side. You know we got to.
Still there. 10 years. My uniform. Apparently uniforms have been changed, so I'm gonna get a new one.
You know we got to rise up tonight, and the truth gon' make us free. But there's a man that would die to keep me from thee. Gotta filter all they say. Take what resonates and throw the rest away, and rise up, rise up, rise up. Yeah, don't wait another night. We got to rise up, rise up. Rise up tonight, we got Jah on our side, you know we got. Rise up tonight, we got Jah on our side, you know we got. Rise up tonight, all of these people are dread, praying to Jah, 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 until the end. All of these people are dreadlocks, praying to Jah, 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 until the end. Wake up, open your eyes, before the fire starts getting hot and burns us alive. A lot of men are stealing lies, try to speak the truth, they're gonna try to take your life. I'm telling the world to rise up to your feet. Look, the government a trick, we in them greedy and deceit. All them really wanna do is divide and defeat. I pray to Jah to come on down and give me some relief. So
yeah, come on, yeah. It's alright, yeah. They call me top grade with it, got my fade with it. Friday night, time to get paid with it. I know Drea with it.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I'm going for my lunch break now. Okay, I need to go with it on the stairs because that's out of order. So yeah, I'm going for my lunch break, and I think they changed the time. Now they serve dinner or lunch at 6:30, but I brought my own food, so I don't need to wait till that time. And I've got my bottle here. Hi, Chef.
How are you?
I'm good, yeah. Everything is fine. Baby is fine. Okay.
The freshest of them all. I'm on some Westchester High shit, class of 95 shit, James Bond watch with the coolie.
Okay guys, so I'm just about to eat my food, and I've got just how many minutes? I've got like 20 minutes. So hot. Well, all invited. I don't think I can finish my food, you know why? I took one of the scones, I had one, and it's already making me full. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Beginning to come in, so I need to be quick or be fast because I don't have enough people here. That's why I came earlier. So I'm gonna and when I finish, I'll take you along with me. Okay. Ciao.
Worms named as a treasure. There's higher levels, bigger bosses on the ledger. I'm ready to pull the trigger. I kick it by any measure. The pitcher, so I'm the hitter. I had to get up off the bleachers. You ain't playing how your feet hurt. I see you falling when my feet work. You can give me dap when I see you. I can tell that your knees hurt. Yeah, I'm just feeling myself. Ball to the wall without killing myself. Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. I'm tuned for the crew and now I'm chilling myself. I'm just feeling myself. Balls to the walls without killing myself. Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. Rock 2 with the crew, now I'm chilling myself. MC with the mass appeal. Came back to run the game like track and field. I can't lose cause I'm not confused. Recognize who am I when I drop the jewels.
Okay guys, and it's a wrap for today. Bye bye bye. Okay, I'm going back into the cold. Hello, Kathleen. Oh my God, yes.
Dollar monster, don't even ask for hours. It took the master the craft. You wouldn't last an hour. Money, respect, power.
Fantastic pose.
Oh, all right, I'll see you. Bye.
Boy, don't you know that you a slave? Nah, this Django with the cash like Tango. Used to dream about rolling around in a Range Rover. Till I heard the devil call a fade with an angel. Till I heard these niggas really sweet like a mango. G.
Thank you guys for coming along with me to work today. It was, I think it was okay. I just had some bad headache. Just halfway through my shift, my head was aching real bad. Even now it's still aching, but thankfully I'm done and I'm going home, and hopefully I'll be able to get some rest, which I'm sure by now you're all getting to know. I am a nocturnal. I don't sleep at night, so see how quiet everywhere is. I'll try and put the afternoon side and the video I took from this side. I'll try to put it somewhere. and then we can all see it's so quiet. The baby in me, the baby in me is out. Okay. It's always a nice feeling when you finish your shift without any incident, without any chaos whatsoever. So, ta-da! Alright, I'm walking to the St. Paul's train station. I'm almost there. Ooh, my back hurts. Do you want another baby in me? The baby in me. Don't worry, I'm safe. It's safe where I am now. So I know you all will be wondering and you will be looking out for me. So thank you. And we are here at the St. Paul's Underground Station.
Feeling myself, balls to the wall without killing myself. Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. I tune for the crew and now I'm chilling myself. I'm just feeling myself, balls to the wall.
Going underground, and I'll see you all later. Ciao, ciao, Bella. Bella, ciao, Bella, ciao, ciao, ciao.
Spine watch with the coolie high guy kick, hat laying over the eyes, you can't see him. I'm tearing down the mall and blowing this whole per diem. It's 1:00 p.m. I should do brunch, Grey Poupon on the line of my 5-acre front. If the ladies all calls when I walk up in the door, just imagine how many of them fainted on the floor. So conceited and confident as such. The lanes are automatic, I'm riding with the clutch. Time is of the essence while you focus on fronting. I Zach Morris the moment and press the pause button like I'm just feeling myself. Calls to the wall without killing myself. Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. I tune for the crew and now I'm chilling myself. I'm just feeling myself. Balls to the walls without killing myself. Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. Rock 2 with the crew, now I'm chilling myself. Yeah, Tiffany the boxes. I'm conscious minds even underneath the boxes. I'm Kersey the prophet, McGregor Connor, I'm in the eye, not the boxer. Sitting at the head of the table, eating with mobsters. Don shit, do a middle finger, see my watch fit. Looking for the days I haven't nothing in my pockets. It's colossal, grab a column, chisel me a barber. Let's stand me next to legendary art forms, labeled as a treasure. There's higher levels, bigger bosses on the ledger. I'm ready to pull the trigger, I get it by any measure. The pitcher, so I'm the hitter. I had to get up off the bleachers. You ain't playing, how your feet hurt. I see you follow when my feet work. You can give me dap when I see you, I can tell that your knees hurt. Yeah, I'm just feeling myself. Balls to the wall without killing myself. Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. I tune for the crew and now I'm chilling myself.
Guys, I made it. I'm just going to get. Ooh, my bus is in 7 minutes. So, yeah, I'm waiting for the bus. You can see it's so cold. Yeah. Alright, thank you for coming through with me. It's safe. Yeah. Anyways.
What's the matter, boy? Don't you know that you was slave? Nah, this jangle with the cash like tango. Used to dream about rolling around in the Range Rover.
I walked home, but just because it's a bit late, I'd rather wait for the bus. If it were to be in the afternoon, I would have walked home.
Life's a roller coaster, now I'm feeling myself. I tune for the crew and now I'm chilling myself. I'm just feeling myself without killing myself. Feeling myself. Now I'm chilling myself.
Okay guys, I am almost home, and thank you all so much for coming with me. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to turn your notification bell on. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in my next video. It's bye for now. Bye guys.
We got to rise up.